Hello everyone and welcome. I want to tell you how you can stop blowing your account as a Forex trader. And if you're not a Forex trader, you should learn Forex trading or crypto trading. That's my advice as a side hustle. So a percentage of anything you earn, you put it and try to see what you can make out of it. If you want me to teach you how to trade Forex, let me know in the comment section. But I must tell you that there are many videos on YouTube, many videos here on TikTok, many videos on Instagram, many videos on the Twitter, that's X, many videos on YouTube also that explains how you can trade Forex. I have some videos on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, on how you can start trading Forex and other things. So you can get that information anywhere online. The problem is that many people start trading, but they blow their account over and over. I have been in that shoe before. The percentage of people that are profitable Forex traders are less than 10%. More than 90% are not profitable. Now, how can you become profitable? Or how can you make it that you'll not be blowing your account every time? One way is to use stop loss. Another way is that on every trade, some people say you should risk 1% or 2% of your capital. Let's say your capital is 40,000. You are risking 1% or 2% of 40,000. How much is that? That is 400 or what? So it is very, very minimal. So you should risk like 5 to 10% on a trade. And you have done your analysis, you have back tested. So in 10 trades, if you're able to get like 3 or 4 or 5, and in a risk reward ratio of 1 to 3, then you are going to break even. You're going to still be in profit. And if you do analysis very well, you may be lucky to have 7 trades going well for you. So when you set stop loss, you are going to continue to be in the trade. The same trade that you lose in, you can reanalyze it and enter afresh when your stop loss is hit. Stop moving your stop loss. And as it's going towards your stop loss, don't move it. Let it hit it. When you hit the stop loss, you are out of that trade, but you just lost a minimal amount. This experience I'm sharing with you is very, very invaluable, and I want you to make good use of it. So this is how you can become profitable in the Forex market. In the next one, I will come on to talk about prop firm and how you can go about winning in the prop firm industry. As a researcher, don't just research academics alone. You also research other things, and that can be beneficial